In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Forms to Google Sheets. By the end, your form responses will flow into a spreadsheet automatically, making it easy to track answers, analyze results, and share insights with your team without any manual copy and paste. Start by opening Google Forms in your browser and signing into your account. Once you're on the Forms homepage, choose the form you want to connect. This can be any existing form, whether it's a survey, a registration form, or a quick poll. Open the form so you can see the editor view. At the top of the editor, look for the Responses tab. It sits alongside Questions and Settings. Click Responses to switch from building your form to managing its results. This is the hub where you'll control how responses are collected and where they go. You'll also see a count of how many responses you've received so far, which is helpful context when you're setting up the connection. On the Responses tab, find the small green spreadsheet icon labeled Link to Sheets, or a button that says View in Sheets. Click that. This is the bridge between your form and Google Sheets. When you click it, Google will prepare to create a spreadsheet that mirrors your form's questions and stores each submission as a new row with a timestamp. You'll now be prompted to choose where the data should live. If you're starting fresh, select the option to create a new spreadsheet. Give it a clear, descriptive name so you can find it later, especially if you work with multiple forms. If you already have a spreadsheet where you want the responses to land, choose the option to select an existing spreadsheet and pick the file from your drive. After you make your choice, click Create to confirm and complete the connection. A Google Sheets file will open with column headers that match your form's questions. From this point forward, every new form submission will appear in this sheet automatically. In real time, you can sort, filter, add charts, or build summaries without touching the form itself. If you ever update your questions later, new columns will be added to the sheet to reflect those changes. A few best practices as you wrap up. Keep the spreadsheet in the right drive folder for your project. Use a consistent naming convention. And share the sheet only with people who need access. That way, your responses remain accurate, secure, and easy to manage. And that's it. Your Google form is now connected to Google Sheets, and your data pipeline is ready to go.